How to make an easy, beginner-friendly beef steak-ums, peppers and onions and cheese bowls my way. Steak, peppers and onions and cheese. How can one go wrong? You know what time it is. Stop playing. Come on, let's go. Using a pot on medium heat, add the heavy cream or milk to the pot. Add a half cup of each of the cheeses to the heavy cream or milk mixture. Stir the milk or heavy cream and cheese mixture until the cheese sauce becomes smooth. Turn the heat down to warm and continue to stir the cheese sauce until needed. Using a skillet on medium heat, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of the olive oil to the skillet. Now add the peppers and onions veggie blend to the skillet. Season with the onion powder, the garlic powder, the sweet and spicy seasoning blend, black pepper. Stir all of the peppers and onion veggies until well coated with the seasonings. Saute for 4 to 5 minutes, turn off the heat, and set the veggies to the side. Using a skillet on medium to high heat, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of the olive oil. Carefully place the steak-ums into the skillet. Chop and break down the beef steak-ums into small bite-sized pieces. Flip the steak-ums on both sides for even cooking while breaking down into smaller pieces. Add the Worcestershire sauce, a pinch of salt, the steak seasoning, the A1 or your favorite thick steak sauce, black pepper. Stir all of the seasonings into the beef steak-ums until well blended. Cook until there are no more signs of pink or red meat. Turn the heat off and set the meat to the side. Place the tortilla bowls onto a plate or platter. Fill the bottom of the tortilla bowls with the seasoned beef steak-ums meat. Add the seasoned peppers and onions veggie blend on top of the beef steak-ums. Pour the homemade creamy 3-cheese sauce over the seasoned veggie blend. Sprinkle with this sweet and spicy seasoning on top of the cheese sauce, the black pepper, and fresh or dried parsley flakes. And here you have it, a easy, beginner-friendly beef steak-ums, peppers, onions, and cheese bowls my way. Moist and juicy beef steak-ums, sauteed and seasoned peppers and onions, a creamy homemade 3-cheese cheese sauce, Worcestershire sauce, a thick steak sauce, sweet and spicy seasoning, steak seasoning, black pepper, and parsley. This is a no-fail win-win recipe. You know what time it is. Give this recipe a try and stop playing. This is DeSHANTA B. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. You are greatly appreciated. The beats bumping this video is called On and On by music producer MARQ the Infinite. Contact him through his Gmail or SoundCloud. And you know what time it is. Thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. And stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.